I'm Sheldon from ROC Harley Davidson in Alberton. So this bike that we have here is a Mar 21 CVO Tri-Glide. It's the second year that Harley Davidson has built a CVO Tri-Glide. Very special bikes, super rare to South Africa. There may be less than a handful of those bikes in that specific color, in that specific spec. They're extremely rare, difficult to get your hands on. It's the ultimate Grand American tourer. If you're looking to tour on a Harley Davidson, that's what you would like to be on. The Mar 21 CVO Tri-Glide runs a slim, slick front fender. For extra sporty look, it's got a bigger front wheel. She's got bigger wheels at the rear with a slightly smaller profile to give it a sportier look and feel. It's got the 117 cubic inch motor in, the upgraded motor. Black and bronze finish. It's got the crimson paint. It's got a nice undertone, a deep crimson undertone under the black paint on the custom CVO paint job. We've gone ahead and done the Boom 2 Rockford Fosgate audio system. It's got the upper fairings, the 2 fairing upper speakers. It's got your 2 tour pack speakers out in the rear. Single amplifier system, which can be added. You could still add on essentially another 2 fairing low speakers onto that same system with the same amplifier. Completely plug and play. It's a bolt-in system. It gets programmed into your bike. As far as we know, this is the first 21 CVO Tri-Glide that's taken a stage 2 Rockford Fosgate audio system. For 21, your CVO Tri-Glide was one of the only CVO models that didn't come out from the factory with a Rockford Fosgate system in. For 22, we believe they will be coming out as a factory fitted accessory. We've taken it up to the next level. It's 2022 spec at the moment. It's the highest offering. It's your highest spec sound system that you can get in your Grand American Touring Tri-Glide.